love Porsche for quite a few obvious reasons. Among the less obvious pertains to the company's prototypes and test vehicles, which typically go undisguised in public. That is, they mostly go undisguised, save for some very clever camouflage coverings that hide in plain sight. Still, this approach usually means you can suss out some details on test cars like this new 911 GT3 RS, especially if you get a good look. At a glance, you'd think this car is fully revealed, but there are plenty of details regarding the visual and functional RS body changes that are still covered. Among them are the side vents on the rear wheel arches, the outline of which can barely be seen by zooming in on a side photo. A thin black cover hides the vents, and there are more clever covers hiding other changes on the rear fascia. Overall, we know how the new GT3 RS will look. One thing we can't see is the engine. It's still a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter monster of a flat 6, and rumor says this one spins to 9,500 RPM. The previous generation GT3 RS developed 520 horsepower, and we don't expect this one to make much more, but there should be a little something extra at the back. If it follows the latest GT3 in terms of aerodynamic and suspension enhancements, it should set a supremely fast lap around the Nordschleife GT3 RS to debut later this year as a 2023 model.